This is Malibu, the most tired dog in the entire universe. Those 7 puppies are nothing but trouble. And the vet said she's got to have a Calgon moment, 24 hours long. But last night she insisted on going to see the puppies when I got home, so I let her in and put her on a bunk bed. But now she's coming for a few well-earned minutes on her own, on my bed. You sweet things. Let's try and give you all a look at each of them. Which one are you? Highly hygienic. This is quite a big one now. It's developed. I don't know if he's greedy or what, but let's have a look. Little boy. Very good indeed. Yep. Little girl. This one looks just like his mother, and he's a he, I think. Yes. And this one's very friendly, very playful. Vicious. We've seen those, I think. As you can see, don't know where the others are. Very biddable though, I think they'll follow me. Come on! Let's see where your brothers and sisters are. There they are. You can settle down into the little bed. You can see there the one which has just turned round was the smallest one of the litter. But gives as good as she gets. You might see that in a minute. And quite honestly, I can't really tell them all apart. Although they all are beautiful. I really like them. Never had such a welcome in my life as these lot give you in the morning. Very nice. Okay, there you go, puppies. Lovely puppies. How does your garden grow, eh? With cats and rabbits and dogs and everything.